Hi everyone, so today we are going to test Qwen3, which just released and is really incredible in terms of performances in all benchmarks. So we are going to put it to the test. I'm going to test different versions of Qwen3. So we will try with the 8B version first. We are going to test this and we will see what we will get. So it is running on my 3090, as you can see right there. You can see the usage. So currently we are using 11 gigabytes of memory, and the utilization is at 80, 90%. So just to see, one thing that is really interesting is that they can toggle thinking only when they need it, and they can adjust themselves how much thinking they need. So as you can see, they can sometimes go to non-thinking mode, but the snake game is no, it's not snake game. Sorry, it's Tetris. The Tetris game is quite hard, so that's why it think that think. So it is outputting a lot, and the inference speed is really fast. In fact, maybe it's due to improvements made by Olama during recent updates. So let's try it. Up right there. Let's run it. So we got errors. So this is not working. Um, Maybe let's see if he is able to solve his issues. So as you can see, it is thinking because the problem is quite hard, and we will see if we get an improvement. It has finished to think, and it is now outputting the changes we need to do. So we need to copy this and let's find peace. Okay. Na, 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 na. To solve the error. Oh, okay. So it is not really giving us the correction. It's giving only an example of what we should get. So that's not really what I was wanting. So that's a fail. Now let's try with the 4B version. No, I want to try the smallest version. See what we get. I don't think it will work, but maybe. And it's outputting so fast. I, I will stop. I just want to see the speed, the inference speed, because it's really incredible. Um, so slash set verbose and rerun the question. With this, we will be able to see the token speed. Wow. That's so fast. This is incredible. I think I never saw an output this fast. It's it's amazing. Maybe Grok is a bit faster, but in local inference, I've never seen that speed. By the way, I will quantize these models in Excel 3 because it's the currently the best quantization method for inference speed and for quality. So you should be able to find them on Hugging Face. So I really recommend you to check it out. Oh, man, it's thinking a lot. Whoa, what is going on? What? What is this mess? Maybe he's stuck. I don't know. Final answer, final answer, final answer. Yeah, I think he's stuck. Interesting. It's the first time that I saw an infinite generation. He doesn't seem able to stop. So I will end it for him. Um, player. Maybe with the snake game because it's a bit easier to make. Tetris game is really hard, and the most difficult question I have is making the Pac-Man game. I've never seen any LLM for now that has done a real, a really good Pac-Man game. Sometimes the map is wrong. Sometimes it's completely fucked up. Sometimes we can go through walls. Uh, there, I I've never seen a real good implementation first try. Oh, so so it really has some repeating issues. This is the second time it has repeated himself with final and so, final and so. Yeah, that's really strange. I will end here. Okay, so that's not really a pass. This model seems quite good in terms of benchmarks and especially for highly for big models, but for small versions, I know zero point 0.6b is really really small, but I've seen even smaller models. I've seen 100 megabytes, 100 million of neurons models that has done way better than this. Uh, they don't repeat themselves. I can understand that the model uh, has a lack of intelligence when he's small, but most of the time you can make you can adjust the model to avoid himself to repeat, which is not what I got here. So yeah, I really don't recommend the smallest versions of Qwen3. Maybe the biggest models are great. I don't know. I've not tested them, but the small one, no, that's really not good. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it's helpful. Uh, I can't really recommend this new model, uh, but maybe they will make an update Maybe there is something wrong with the Olama configuration. I don't know. Yeah. So if you find this video helpful, you can leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I read all of your comments. You can suggest future videos. You can share some tips and tricks. Share whatever you want. I don't care. And I hope you will have a very nice day. Bye bye.